In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the simple process of enabling story replies on Instagram. To begin, access your profile by selecting the icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Subsequently, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, navigate to Settings, and scroll down until you find the Messages and Story Replies option under the How Others Can Interact with You section. Tap on this option, followed by Story Replies. This will direct you to a center where you can manage who can respond to your stories. To enable story replies from anyone, simply tap on the first option labeled Allow Story Replies from Anyone.